Hello, my name is Jeptine Pragas. I am 33 years old from San Pascual, Batangas. I am married with two kids. I am a graduate of Associate in Computer Technology, which is a 2 years vocational course. And for my work experience, I am a well experienced in operation and setup of machine to perform a machining operation. My previous job is a CNC press brake machine operator for the company Nosaki Chugoro Shoten Company Limited, which is located in Niigata, Japan. My duties and responsibilities for this job is to observe and follow the company's safety and regulation. I operate and maintain a press brake and grinding machine using Manio and Amada machine. I also operate head crane when needed. I also assist in repair, maintenance, and installation of new machine. I want to go to abroad to work and to support my family for their future. Thank you.